Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you International School Manila teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.ismanila.org. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of International School Manila, Philippines. In this main page, right corner menu available. In this menu, one of the option work at ISM. If you click this link, you can get what are the teaching job opportunities for International School Manila. So they are recruiting candidate in London Recruitment Fair February 15, 16, 2022. Join us for face-to-face interviews open to teacher who are unable to sign up for the recruitment fair. So if you are interested, you can click here to apply online now. Application will be reviewed and the candidate who are most suitable for the position will be contacted for an interview schedule. So what are the vacancies for academic year 22-23 teaching and non-teaching portion? First we can check what are the teaching portion for academic year 22-23. So teaching qualification, qualified and experienced educator with at least 2 years teaching experience preferred, passionate about teaching students and responsive to their individual needs, committed to teamwork and effective communication with student, colleagues and parents, intent on enhancing their professional skills, supportive of the ISM mission statement. So these are the teaching qualification for International School Manila. So what are the positions? First one we can check elementary school, kindergarten teacher, physical education, preschool teacher, upper elementary classroom teacher, and middle school English, social studies teacher, guidance counselor, maths and science teacher, maths teacher, physical education, science teacher and social studies. So high school curriculum coordinator, guidance counselor, Chinese language and IB coordinator, IB economics business teacher, English teacher, film teacher, Japanese literature, math teacher. So these are the vacancies for academic year 22-23. If interested, complete the online application form. Your resume must be attached at this time. So if you are interested, you can click this link online application. This school is happy to arrange interviews and a campus tour for prospective candidate teachers. Under special circumstances, the school may cover hotel expenses for individual traveling to the Philippines for scheduled interview. So what are the non-teaching portion? You can click this link. So non-teaching portion of educational assistant, high school ESL teaching assistant, media production specialist, science laboratory technician. So these are the vacancies for non-teaching. So if you are interested, you can submit online application. So here they are given online application form link. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. Mostly qualified applicant will be contacted. So before that, they are conducting recruitment fair for the academic year 22-23. In left corner, it's available. So overseas hire. If you click this link, you can get there what are the recruitment fair for upcoming year. So this is the upcoming recruitment fair. So virtual fair for December 4 and global virtual for December 11-12 and BKK virtual for January 8-9, Cambridge virtual for 22-23 January. So ISM London fair 15-15. If you are interested in person, you can apply February 15-16 and February 18-20. So these are the recruitment fair upcoming fairs. So if you are interested, you can register the virtual fair also. So living in the Philippines, you can check it here. So the information is provided to assist you with your move to the Philippines. Should you need any clarification or have any question on the information provided, please do not hesitate to contact the Human Resource Department. So pre-arrival checklist. So these are the pre-arrival checklist for incoming expatriate teacher, travel, shippings and others. And guide to living in the Philippines also given here. So make sure before applying, please check all the details. If you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instruction. Food, health care, housing, immigration, all the details are available in that. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, etc. How to apply for the recruitment fair and these job vacancies? You can click this link, online application. If you click this link, you can get online application. So if you click this link, yes, you can get one online application form. This is ISM Manila job application form. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are 4 sections in this application form. You will require to upload a up-to-date CV, maximum of 2 page and cover letter. So please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. The first one is applicant information, name, email address, date available to work, number of children you wish to enroll at ISM. So do you have teaching spouse? You can click this link. Next you can give it to here. First choice of yours. So which subject are you going to apply? So you can click this link. First 3 choices. Then job fair. So which job fair are you interested for? Otherwise global virtual fair or in-person fair. You can click this link. Depends upon your interest. You can click this link. Then you can give it to the next. Spouse information. So if you have a teaching spouse, you can give your teaching spouse details here. Then you can give it to next. So what are the requirement here mean? You can upload your photo, applicant resume, recommendation letter, spouse resume and other attachment. Then you can give it your comments. Once you have uploaded all the document, you can submit your application. They submit here. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So this is the way you have to apply ISM Manila teaching job vacancies and recruitment fair. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. I hope you can get a great job. Good luck with your job search. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.